I'm a NaturalQueryAI, also known as QueryGenie. NaturalQueryAI is a conversational data access platform that allows users to interact with structured databases using natural language. Users can ask questions in plain English, and the system automatically converts them into optimized SQL or OData queries. It's designed for business users, analysts, and technical teams to get faster insights without writing SQL or OData queries or dealing with complex SAP schemas. The platform applies intelligent context rules to ensure accurate and complete results, and it includes smart error handling with automatic query correction. It also understands date based questions like this month or this year and presents results in real time with clean, readable formatting. Now, let me walk you through the product. Let me log in first. I'm logging in with an admin role. Once logged in, the first thing it asks is to select an agent from the existing list. Since I'm logged in as an admin, I can either select an existing agent or create a new one. Let's create a new agent. To create an agent, we need to provide the agent name, description, agent type, and the connection URL. As you can see, this data URL requires authentication. So we'll use basic authentication, which includes the username, password, and the SAP client. After entering these details, we click Test Connection. Once the connection is successful, we add the agent. Now the system fetches all the metadata from the OData service URL, including entity details and their relationships. Great! We have successfully created our first agent, which is of SAP OData type. Now, instead of starting a chat as an admin, let me show you the intended flow. The admin creates users, and those users log in, select an agent, and start asking questions. Let me create a new user with the user role. The user is created successfully. Now let me log in as this user. After logging in, it asks me to select an agent. You will notice I don't have the option to create an agent, since that's restricted to admins. Now I'll activate the agent. You can clearly see the agent is activated, and the status is shown in the top right corner. Let me ask my first question. Here, we can select the response type and then ask a question. Based on the response, the LLM generates a markdown overview. We also have options to give feedback, copy the response, or download it. Since this is a normal response, one option is not available yet, which I'll show later. Now let me ask my second question. When a single response contains multiple columns, the result is shown in a hierarchical format. At the bottom, you can see a clear overview generated based on the data. Now let me show a descriptive response. This enables an option that is not available in normal mode. In descriptive mode, the response is more detailed, along with all the normal options. Here we also have an option called Generate Chart. When the user clicks this, the system creates a dynamic chart based on the data. The chart can be a pie chart, line chart, or Gantt chart, depending on the predefined data structure. We also track the question, answer, response time, and user feedback. This data is accessible only to admin users. Let me log in as admin to show this. When we click on the user avatar, we can select reports from the menu. Here you can see summary cards showing the number of questions asked, success rate, average execution time, and feedback. Below that, we have separate tabs for query history, popular questions, and feedback analysis. This section provides all the information needed to understand the application's behavior. It also includes records from all users. Whenever a user asks a question and provides feedback using thumbs up or thumbs down, it is captured and reflected here.